Efficiency in the maritime industry is critical for reducing greenhouse gas emissions and cutting operational costs and complying with increasingly stringent environmental regulations and optimizing fuel consumption ships can mitigate their environmental impact, decrease operating expenses, and maintain their competitiveness in the global market. Prioritizing energy efficiency is essential for the long-term and viability and profitability of the maritime sector, and fostering innovation, driving the adoption of cleaner technologies for more sustainable future, attracting environmentally conscious and securing favorable financing with rising fuel price and growing environmental concern. Energy efficiency is closely linked to regulatory compliance. International regulations such as the Energy Efficiency Design Index and Ship Energy Efficiency and Energy Efficiency Management Plan, and mandate specific standard for energy efficiency. Compliance with this regulation is necessary to avoid penalties, maintain access to international waters, and uphold the industry's reputations for responsible environmental stewardship. And energy efficiency is essential for the maritime industry and regulatory compliance and innovation. By embracing energy efficiency practice and technologies, the industry can reduce its environmental footprint, lower costs, complied with regulations, and secure its position in a evolving global market driven by sustainability concern. To energy efficiency refers to the optimization of energy usage to achieve maximum output with minimal input. It involved employing technologies and practice and policies aimed at reducing energy waste while maintaining desired levels of productivity and comfort. Efficiency energy use not only conserves valuable resources but also mitigates environmental impact by lowering greenhouse gas emissions and other pollutants. Strategies for improving energy efficiency encompass various sectors and including transportations.